To see you, I must say, you make my day. Hello, hello, hello. Hello everybody, it's Miss Preston. Today I'm not in my music corner, it's such a beautiful day, I thought I'd come outside and sing in my garden. Today we're going to do some warm-ups, we're going to play some singing games and learn some lovely new songs too. First things first, let's warm up. Let's start by warming up our bodies. Can you stretch your arms in front of you and then wriggle your fingers like they're caterpillars? Then can you stretch your arms out wide like you're a bird? Stretch, 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 keep wriggling your fingers. Then do a giant stretch all the way up, look up, stretch your neck, and then do a big old yawn as you stretch back down. And then give yourself a little shake. Super. Now let's do big face, small face. Everyone make a big face. Everyone make a small face. Big face. Small face. Now let's do a big smile. And now a big frown. Big smile. And a big frown. And now let's put a bit of bubble gum in our mouths and chew it. Now blow a big bubble. And pop it. Pop. Well done. Let's warm up our voices. Can you repeat these sounds after me? Ba. Moo. Vroom, vroom, vroom. Boo. Tss, 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 tss. Do, do, do. Fee, fi, fo, fum. Ha, 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 ha. Ho, 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 ho. Hee, 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 hee. Woo, woo, woo. Woo, woo, woo. Well done. So now it's time to take our voices for a walk from a low pitch to a high pitch. Today I've got a new story for you. It's about a squirrel called Cyril, and here's how it goes. Cyril the squirrel ran up the tall fir in the forest to find his friend Bertie the bee. Bertie the bee had buzzed off for his breakfast, so Cyril the squirrel slid back down the tree. Let's learn those words and then you'll hear what it sounds like going up and down the scale. Cyril the squirrel ran up the tall fir, in the forest to find his friend Bertie the bee. Cyril the squirrel ran up the tall fir. In the forest to find his friend Bertie the bee. All of it together now. Cyril the squirrel ran up the tall fir in the forest to find his friend Bertie the bee. Cyril the squirrel ran up the tall fir in the forest to find his friend Bertie the bee. Super duper. Let's learn the second half. Bertie the bee had buzzed off. For his breakfast. So Cyril the squirrel slid back down the tree. Let's put more of it together. Bertie the bee had buzzed off for his breakfast. Bertie the bee had buzzed off for his breakfast, so Cyril the squirrel slid back down the tree. So Cyril the squirrel slid back down the tree. Let's put it all together. Bertie the bee had buzzed off for his breakfast, so Cyril the squirrel slid back down the tree. Bertie the bee had buzzed off for his breakfast, so Cyril the squirrel slid back down the tree. Well done. Now we're going to sing this story as we take our voice for a walk from a low note to a high note. Have a listen to what it sounds like. Cyril the squirrel ran up the tall fir in the forest to find his friend Bertie the bee. Bertie the bee had buzzed off for his breakfast, so Cyril the squirrel slid back down the tree. Did you see how I used my hand to show where my voice was going? Can you do that too as we sing together? Off we go now, Cyril the squirrel ran up the tall fir in the forest to find his friend Bertie the bee. Bertie the bee had buzzed off for his breakfast, so Cyril the squirrel slid back down the tree. Super, let's be brave and do it a tiny bit faster. Ready? Off we go now, Cyril the squirrel ran up the tall fir in the forest to find his friend Bertie the bee. Bertie the bee had buzzed off for his breakfast, so Cyril the squirrel slid back down the tree. Super. For our last warm-up, we're going to sing Have You Got Your Singing Voice? Lots of you should know this song. If you don't, here's how it works. I'll say something like, have you got your singing voice? And you respond, yes, I've got my singing voice. But I might change it and ask you if you've got your quiet voice, if you've got your whisper voice, or if you've got a silly voice. So let's play. I'm going to keep the pulse. Maybe you can too. Have you got your talking voice? Have you got your quiet voice? Yes, I've got my quiet voice. Have you got your whisper voice? I've got my whisper voice. Have you got your loud voice? Yes, I've got my loud voice. Have you got your ghost voice? Yes, I've got my ghost voice. Have you got your witch voice? Yes, I've got my witch voice. Have you got your robot voice? Yes, I've got my robot voice. Have you got your crazy voice? Yes, I've got my crazy voice. Have you got your going up voice? Yes, I've got my going up voice. Have you got your coming down voice? Yes, I've got my coming down voice. Have you got your singing voice? Yes, I've got my singing voice. Beautiful. Now let's sing some more songs. Our first favourite song we're going to sing today is called Across the Fields. It's a lovely nursery rhyme. Lots of you might already know the words, so if you do, then you can join in straight away. If you're not sure, then you can listen and watch and then rewind me and join in when you feel confident. At the end of the song, there's going to be a chance to play with our high-low voice. Can you join in while I show the pitch? Off we go now across the field of wheat and grain. A young man's head is plainly seen. Ah-hoo-lia, hoo-lia, hoo-ya-ya, swiftly flowing water. Ah-hoo-lia, hoo-lia, hoo-ya-ya, swiftly flowing water. Well done. The next favourite song I'm going to sing today is called I Can Sing a Rainbow. When was the last time that you saw a rainbow? Have you seen one in the sky after it rains? Or have you made one to put in your window? Remember, if you know the words and you can join in with me straight away, maybe you can come up with some actions. And if you're not sure, then you can wait, watch, listen and rewind and join in when you feel confident. Okay? Off we go now, red and yellow and pink and green, purple and orange and blue. I can sing a rainbow, sing a rainbow, sing a rainbow too. Listen with your eyes, listen with your ears, and sing everything you see. Now you can sing a rainbow, sing a rainbow, sing a rainbow too. Red and yellow and pink and green, purple and orange and blue. I can sing a rainbow, sing a rainbow, sing a rainbow too. Well done. Sweet. Today we're going to be really clever and learn a new song in a different language. Today we're going to learn Yo Ma Mana Yo, and it's a lullaby from a country called Mozambique in Africa. Have a listen to what it sounds like and then we'll learn it together. Yo, yo ma mana yo, yo ma mana yo, unga famba unisia, unisia la buswana. Yo mama na yo, yo mama na yo, unga famba unisia, unisia la buswana. Isn't it a pretty song? Let's learn it line by line. So we're going to learn the song by saying the words and then singing the words so we get used to what it sounds like. The first line goes, yo ma mana yo, yo ma mana yo. Now let's sing it. Yo ma mana yo, yo ma mana yo. The second line is yo ma mana yo, yo ma mana yo. Now let's sing it. Yo ma mana yo, yo ma mana yo. Now let's try them both together. Yo ma mana yo, yo ma mana yo. Ready? Yo ma mana yo, yo ma mana yo. Super. Now let's learn the second part. The words go unga famba, unga famba, uni si ya, uni si ya. Put them together. Unga famba uni si ya, unga famba uni si ya. Now let's sing them. Unga famba uni si ya. Our voice is starting high and then going lower. One more time. Unga famba uni si ya, unga famba uni si ya. Long note. Next part. Uni si la, uni si la. Vuswana, vuswana. Let's put them together. Uni, siye, la, vuswana. Uni, siye, la, vuswana. Now let's sing that part. Uni, siye, la, uni, siye, la, vuswana, vuswana. All together. Uni, siye, la, vuswana. Uni, siye, la, vuswana. So the whole line together. Unga famba unisia. Unisia la vuswana. Unga famba unisia. Unisia la vuswana. Super. Now let's do it line by line and watch the actions and see if you can copy them too. Yo mama na yo. Yo mama na yo. Can you copy those actions? Yo mama na yo. Yo mama na yo. Well done. Unga famba unisia. You as well. Unga famba unisia. Well done. Same again. Unisia la vuswana. With me. Unisia la vuswana. So now you've learned everything you need to know to sing with me. If you want to keep practicing, keep on rewinding until you feel confident. If you're ready, keep watching and we'll sing together. Time for us to sing Yo Mama Na Yo together. Let's try and sing the song all the way through twice. Are you ready? Makeup backs, giraffe necks, eagle eyes. Off we go, yo mama na yo. Yo mama na yo. Unga famba unisia. Unisia la vuswana. Yo mama na yo. Yo mama na yo. Unga famba unisia. Unisia la vuswana. Well done. So thank you so much for joining me for Singing Assembly. I hope you enjoyed singing along with the songs and even learning a new song in a different language. Let's say goodbye with a goodbye song. Ready? Off we go now, goodbye, goodbye. See you soon, goodbye.